Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion, we can meet again, we can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency, and now I want to share to you about sellout on GNOX. Per sale compared to Binance Coin BNB and Advance or EVEX. There are certain tokens which captivate and the attention of the broader crypto community during their ICO, initial coin offering. Several of these tokens have made tremendous release and become integral players in the digital asset space. GNOX, a novel reflection token, has sold out of its ICO pace, and crypto experts have compared the type around the token to the premises of Binance Coin. GNOX is launching in deal market condition and will enter its price discovery round with no levels of psychological resistance in bullish sentiment. Ethereum is currently leading the market with massively bullish momentum. Bitcoin is trending upwards, and altcoins are rallying with high levels of investor confidence and sustained will enjoy highly successful launch. GNOX has been built as an investment vehicle to allow all market participants to aspire to share in the profits of DeFi rapid expansion. DeFi is growing faster than any other market segment, and it's this highly capitalized market there are plenty of options to generate yield with digital assets. The central problem is the yields are not dependable for the vast majority, and meaningfully interacting requires significant time service. When Binance announced a native token investor went will the ICO raise $15 million in less than 1 week of a total of $100 billion BNBC. Tokens were sold and early investor bought them. By Alpha Labs, Valence has grown into a vital figure of the DeFi space and other. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and watch all video of this channel cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. And there is one request or one ask to me about cryptocurrency. Please comment below. Well, thank you very much. See you. Bye.